Most people wake up to traffic, noise, and busy schedules. I wake up to river views, fresh air, fishing communities, and the peaceful rhythm of island life here in Adan, Ghana. My mornings usually begin slowly. The sound of the river, the breeze moving through the palm trees, the calmness that comes from being surrounded by nature. One of the things island life is teaching me is that slowing down doesn't mean doing less. It means being more present. Today, I spent time exploring different parts of the island. Every corner has something beautiful to discover, from peaceful river views to hidden pathways to local communities that have lived in harmony with nature for generations. The beauty here feels untouched. One of my favorite parts of island life is how connected food is to nature. Fresh fish straight from the fishermen, fresh mangoes picked from the island, coconuts growing all around. Simple foods that reminds me that wellness doesn't have to be complicated. Living on this island is teaching me a different way to experience life. More nature, more connection, more gratitude, less rushing, less noise, and less distraction. And while this journey is only beginning, I already feel myself reconnecting with the simple things that truly matters. This is life on Adan Island, rooted in nature.
Wange kasi.
Mino.
Wange kasi bena afish yolo.
Apino?
Agbe yolo.
Yo. Ife olugbe ara ko. Agbelo yo bo le agbelo na yo. Agbelo especially kan re sisi kikun.
Yeah. Agbe yolo wa.
Agbelo analo fun. Re sisi kikun.
Oh wow.
La programme le pega si pa. Programme.
Sukun, like no coco.
O kamela ba?
Dabi. No fuen que we decide. Allo lo belejo. Kike mon blo.
Nga. Anga bene ke pe na ko wata. Anga bene ko wa yo mo tuna kan mo ye ko ke ba ko ngaba ko. Wa mo poku le ke gbin an kaka chola.
Hey, yeah. Brother, son.